For this series in Spacecraft Guide, we are going to focus on how to fly modern spacecraft using the Space Shuttle as our training vehicle. We are going to concentrate on the primary flight instruments to teach you how the astronauts flew the shuttle in flight and in orbit. In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, we are going to continue to teach you how to fly the Space Shuttle by focusing on another tape in the primary flight display called the angle of attack indicator tape. And if you click on the primary flight display, it takes you to the primary flight display page. And on this graphic, or in this image, we are going to be working on this right here. And this is the angle of attack indicator, or the alpha, which is right there, the alpha indicator. And when you click on that, it takes you to the angle of attack, or alpha indicator, and this is it right here. Now you can see that this displays the vehicle's angle of attack, defined as the angle between the vehicle plus the x-axis and the wind relative velocity vector, negative wind vector. Now, this I'm going to go into more detail for our paying Patreon subscribers, so that will be towards the end if you pay for one of the tiers in Patreon. The alpha is displayed by a combination of moving scale and moving pointer. So the scale and the pointer is moving. The alpha tape ranges from minus 180 degrees to plus 180 degrees, which is a huge range here. The negative scale numbers below 0 have no minus signs. The actual scale tape has black markings on a white background. This doesn't. On the negative side, and the white markings on a black background, which we have here, on the positive side. Below Mach 0.30, a magenta diamond indicates the optimum alpha for lift over drag. So we don't have that diamond here, but it will show up on that side. And on entry, that's for the major mode 304, 305, 602, and 603, except for contingency aborts, a green bar will on the alpha tape depicts the range of allowable maximum and minimum alpha. So they'll give you a range. But let's go back to this right here. The actual tape has black markings on a white background and on the negative side, and white on the black. So we have white on the black here. So you can see this is positive. It would be reversed if it was down here. So this scale right now, because the angle of attack isn't that great, it's this scale here and this scale here is going to be stationary. This right here, this pointer, is going to move. So you can see we have on our alpha, or angle of attack, we have 1 degree here, we have 2 degrees. So this is more towards the 2 degrees, but not quite there. So that's where we get the 1.7. So that is going to be listed in right up here. Now, if we go down, we're going to, if you are a Patreon subscribers, we go down here. And even if you're a free subscriber, which doesn't cost anything. So if you're not a subscriber for free, what are you waiting for? Just sign up here and sign up on Patreon, and then when you click on schematics,